At the same time, advertising can be very helpful in getting the first sales orders for new product listings. Many new listings do not receive much visibility at the beginning, so advertising can help your product start appearing in front of Amazon buyers. But if you do not set up your Amazon advertising campaigns properly, the money spent on advertising may not produce the results you expect. Whether you run automatic targeting or manual targeting campaigns, money will be spent in both cases because Amazon charges sellers on a cost-per-click basis. This means you pay whenever a buyer clicks on your advertisement. However, how efficiently that money is spent depends largely on how well the campaign is managed. In automatic targeting, whichever product you want to advertise on the Amazon platform, you simply create a campaign and select the automatic targeting option. Once the campaign is created, Amazon's system automatically begins showing your advertisements for search terms and product pages that it considers relevant to your listing. This process is very easy to set up, which is why many new sellers begin with automatic targeting campaigns. However, because Amazon controls the targeting decisions, your ads may sometimes appear for search terms that are not perfectly aligned with what buyers are actually looking for. When that happens, buyers may click your advertisement but may not purchase the product. Since Amazon charges for clicks, those clicks can increase your advertising expenses without generating enough sales if the campaign is not monitored and optimized.